I discovered that computers are very powerful when it comes to computation. And I felt that, look, if I become a developer, I'll be able to harness the power of computers to compute stuff for me. I'll be able to command them to do computation for me. Hey, everybody, I'm live with Nexus Tech Talk. My name is Orim Dominic, and I'm a full stack web developer. I use Node.js, TypeScript, JavaScript, and Golang. I started writing code professionally in 2021, and currently I'm the engineering lead at Zeda Inc. I discovered that computers are very powerful when it comes to computation. And I felt that, look, if I become a developer, I'll be able to harness the power of computers to compute stuff for me. I'll be able to command them to do computation for me. Computation that, as a human being, I can't do easily or quickly as fast as a computer would, right? So I became a developer because it gave me the ability to harness the power that computers have. My biggest challenge in web development so far has been building a product that is similar to cow.com or Calendly. The challenge was actually how to store dates when people said that they were available in a database in such a way that their time zones were considered, and also how to reflect these same dates in the future to say, okay, this person stored 5th of December as an availability date. How does that reflect on 7th of December, 9th of December, and stuff like that? It was pretty hard for me at then, challenging for me at then, because I had not done something like this before, and I didn't know how to store dates like this in database. So what I did was to look at other applications that had done something similar. I looked at their front end, and if they were open source, I looked at the whole application. But I wasn't getting anything similar to what I actually wanted to build for the application I was building. So I did a lot of tinkering. I built a lot of side projects. I tried a lot of things that I found. I combined a lot of ideas from different places to eventually get it done. And at the end of the day, it was fine. There are other ones I'm currently experiencing now, but so far, that's like the biggest. Take care of my mental well-being by staying away from code basically and doing other interesting stuff, because what variety is a spice of life. So sometimes I watch people prepare food, that's watch cooking videos online, and say, oh, this is interesting, I would like to try it, and I try it. Stay away from code, basically do creative stuff away from coding. Sometimes I write technical articles. Yes, it's still code, but it's a different form, it's a different ball game entirely, because this time around you are thinking about how to explain stuff to somebody and prepare it in a way you can explain stuff to somebody. It's not just about the code. Sometimes I read, or most of the time in fact I read. I like reading a lot, books on business, entrepreneurship, other walks of life, basically parenting, human empathy. Yeah, so basically, all in all, you can just say I stay away from code and try to do creative stuff away from coding. Yeah, sometimes I visit friends and we just talk and talk. Yeah. A project that I built that I'm very proud of is a Twitter bot called Pick at Random. It's basically a bot that helps you pick random people if you want to do a giveaway. So you can just mention the bot on your tweet and tell the bot that, oh, pick me 5 users that commented on this post or something on this tweet, or pick me 5 people that liked this tweet. And I'm really proud about the project because it took me from like here to like here. Like I didn't know anything, or I didn't know much at all. I just built like little stuff here and there. But with that project, I had to learn a lot of things, interacting with external APIs, using the cloud, optimizing code, writing tests, so many things. I really like really like the project. It's not functioning now because of Twitter policies, and I've not been updating a couple of stuff as things have changed. But I mean, that project really made me have confidence in myself and what I could build. After I built that project, I knew that, look, give me any stuff to build and just give me space to think, and I will build it. In the next 3 to 5 years, well, I really don't know. I can't say. But from a bird's eye view, I want to see myself contributing to projects that are being used by people all over the world, by lots of people all over the world. And I think that's the desire of every developer, to have your product being used and enjoyed by so many people all over the world. So in the next 3 to 5 years, and even beyond, that's where I want to be. That's where I want to continue to be. would not say that I have a particular specialty per se, but for the past few years, I've been writing a lot of backend code with Golang and Node.js. And also in the past few years, I've also been writing front end. Front end, back end, I've been doing a lot of both. More of the back end though in the past few years. What will you call me? Full stack? Yeah, full stack web developer. Well, I won't say I have favorite tools. I mean, anything that helps me get the job done, helps me get the job done well. I'll be happy to use it. I mean, I've used Z Editor, I've used VS Code, I use Next.js, StanStack, Stats. Whatever thing helps me, I use Go, I use Node.js, I use TypeScript, I use JavaScript when I'm building prototypes. Whatever thing helps me get the job done in a very, very good way, in an efficient way at the end of the day, I'm happy to use it. Hey everybody, I'm live with Nexus Tech Talk.